Good morning, everybody. This is Michael at FOUCH FABS. We're at our first install this morning. We've got 3 vanities, tear out and install. Shouldn't be too awful complicated. Beautiful, large, older home. Being kept up real nice. In my personal opinion, I'd rather have a house like this than a new one. They just seem to be built better most of the time. Anyway, we're going to get going on this, and I'll touch base with you throughout the process, and if we run into anything crazy, I'll show you that as well. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I got this one ready to tear out. I went ahead and hollered for the 2 guys I got with me today. I just think it's safer for all of us to put our hands on it. I'm also going to use the grippo to lift up and help get it out of here, so this is another use for it. So we're going to go ahead and try to lift it up and get it out of here, guys. Okay guys, we got that out successfully. Didn't do any damage to the walls or anything. None to the cabinets. I did, however, if you noticed, I went ahead and pulled this large mirror off. You know, there was a chance that we could hit it and break it and something happened. I don't know what the percentage was that could have happened, but it was more than 0, so I figured it's probably best to go ahead and move it. Okay guys, this is our second vanity. It's one of the upstairs one. Thankfully it's not wall to wall, but it is kind of put into that wood over there, which may be an issue, but all we can do is do it the best we can. So we're going to get started on this one. Alright guys, so we got everything off. They've liquid nailed it, and that's why all this is sticking to it. You can see the liquid nail real well on the other one in there. You can see the liquid nail pretty heavy right there. So they've put this wood on here to kind of level it out. So we'll leave that on there so that we can stay pretty level, I guess, and then we'll shim it and all that fun stuff. So I will have to clean some of this liquid nail off though. Okay guys, we've got the countertops finished. This is the lower one in the master bath. As you can see, we always bookmark our backsplash to where the veins run up and match with the counter. I left this trim over here for the customers in case they wanted to put it back on and use it. In which case, you know, they could just pop it on top of that like so. And then put the back one on and then paint down to it if they so decided to do so. I wasn't for sure how I thought it would look, so I just pulled it off and kept it intact for them. I mean, I don't think it looks bad actually, but it's up to them on what they do. My guys are going through sweeping up and sweeping under the counters and stuff right now. Looks like they've done a pretty good job on this. We used a transparent white silicone to connect the backsplash to the counters. And then of course on top we use a white paintable caulk so they can paint from the wall down to the backsplash itself. So I'm going to walk you guys through the house and walk upstairs here. The material that they got is quartz, so that helped us out tremendously when going upstairs with these tight turns. The quartz is not as heavy as the granite, so it's also quite a bit stronger, so we were able to lift it up pretty much straight and turn it sideways. I think Tony's in there. Okay, this is the last one we finished. It had a 4-inch splash, so same thing, transparent white silicone. Backsplash bookmarked. White painter's caulk along the wall. We swept the floor, swept in there. Really good. Alright guys, this is the last vanity. As you can see, we bookmarked the backsplash in here, transparent white, and then the paintable caulk. So I think everything turned out great. We used the black mamba and the clips on the sinks, and everything seems good.